OnPassive has survived many bumps on the road because of the brilliant technology team that has gotten Mr. MUFAREH just what he has always wanted. Unimaginable help is imminent, and the founders and affiliates are going to be rewarded. Imagine how Mr. MUFAREH and his family are feeling now. Also for those who were praying that OnPassive failed. Those prayers weren't answered. Good always conquers evil, and that evil intent has been defeated. When your focus is making people happy and successful, the reward is mind-blowing. OnPassive was designed for the majority of people who need financial help. OnPassive's mission is to help lift up those 98% who have failed while trying desperately to make ends meet. OnPassive will make ends meet for all who become affiliates when it opens for business shortly. In the coming days, the register button will be back so that new customers and new affiliates will be able to sign up to become users of OnPassive's digital products and solutions. For those who are founders and affiliates who have taken their dreams of financial freedom and put them on the back burner of your stove, put them back up front. Those who have put their dreams and took them off the stove, put them back on the stove. Mr. MUFAREH and his technology team are cooking. Marty DeGarmo and Chris Johnson say that they have never seen Mr. MUFAREH more excited. At one time, we referred to money as apples. No more! Some people who are looking for anything to be critical about are complaining that Marty and Chris are giving information that they should not give. That is absurd! OnPassive's digital products and solutions make sales to customers interested in OnPassive's products. When sales are made, founders and affiliates are paid commissions with money, not apples. So the figures given out are the bare minimum amounts based on what we have been paid before the temporary stoppage of OnPassive. Those commissions were paid to founders and affiliates. Think about this. Do you think that Marty and Chris didn't have Mr. MUFAREH's approval to say money instead of apples? OnPassive has come a long, long way.
Started small with a dream in hand. Now we're soaring high across the land. Built a bridge from hope and grit. Now look at us, we can't quit. OnPassive has come a long, long way. Climb the ladder, never look down. Wearing triumph like a crown. Every step we take, we rise with fire in our eyes. OnPassive has come a long, long way. Unstoppable, arms wide we're reaching. Bound by no limits, heart, soul, believing. On this journey up we bound, never stopping, feet on the ground. OnPassive has come a long, long way. From whispers to a mighty roar, breaking barriers, open doors. We shine bright in the darkest night, guided by our own light. OnPassive has come a long, long way. Unstoppable, arms wide we're reaching. Bound by no limits, heart, soul, believing. On this journey up we bound, never stopping, feet on the ground. OnPassive has come a long, long way. Together we are strong as steel. With every heartache we can heal. The road was tough, but look at us. Now we ride without the fuss. OnPassive has come a long, long way. Together we are strong as steel. With every heartache we can heal. The road was tough, but look at us. Now we ride without the fuss. OnPassive has come a long, long way. Together we are strong as steel. With every heartache we can heal. The road was tough, but look at us. Now we ride without the fuss. A long, long way. Together we are strong as steel. With every heartache we can heal. With every heartache we can heal. A long, long way. Together we are strong as steel. Down deaths has come a long, long way. A long, long way. Together we are strong as steel. Bound by no limits, hearts so believing. On this journey up we bound, never stopping feet on the ground. OnPassive has come a long, long way.